How to play Please Donate in Roblox. So first, if you join a game, there is a couple things that you can do. So first, you can actually walk up to somebody's table and then donate him Robux by paying or by purchasing one of those game passes they have. If you have Robux in your account, you can also claim your own table. So if you join the game initially, they will show you a path that you can follow to claim your table, which is similar to this one right here, by holding E to claim it. And if you hold E again, you should be able to make changes to your stand. Now, if you want to add your own donation buttons like these ones right here, first you will need to open a browser and then head to roblox.com and then make sure you're signed into your account. And then you want to click on create and then click on creations and then select your experience and go to monetization section and then click on passes. And then you should click create a pass, and here where you can create passes that should be displayed on your stand in the game. So you should give it a name and description and then click on create pass. Now click on the pass you have created and go to sales and then enable item for sale checkbox and then set a price for it. For example, 100 Robux. And if you want, you can enable regional pricing. So that means different prices for different regions. And you can click on view all to see the region pricing depending on the set price for the pass you've selected. And then click on save changes and proceed. Now, after we have created the pass in the website, we'll need to make sure our experience is public. So if you want to go to creations and make sure your experience is set to public and not private, you can click on the three horizontal dots here and make it public or private by clicking right here. Now, if you're done, you want to go back to the game and then unclaim the stand that you currently have. So by holding E right here, you should click on it and then scroll down and click on unclaim booth. And now you want to claim it again to see your passes available. So if you go to the stand and hold E to claim it again, now you should see your passes being added in here, so you can click on them or other people can click on them and donate to you. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.